So the other day I made a post about how the platform Beehiiv is the easiest way to make money online now by growing your email list. And so many of you asked me for a tutorial on how to do this. So here it is. Here's how to make money online with Beehiiv. So in case you've never heard of Beehiiv before, it is a new email marketing platform built specifically for content creators. They have done a phenomenal job, and I'm going to show you all the bells and whistles and features of how it works to help you grow your list, save a lot of money, and actually make a lot of money too. What I love about Beehiiv in particular is they have this amazing free plan where you can actually grow your email list up to 2,500 subscribers before you need to pay for anything. Now, the way to monetize it, however, you do need to be on the scale plan. And so if you've never done this before, I would recommend starting with the launch plan. And when you're able to start growing your list to maybe 50 emails a week or something like that, then I would consider transitioning over to the scale, and you can actually start making money, and you'll make more money than what you're paying on the monthly subscription as well, which is something really, really smart that they've done. And by the way, if anyone wants to try and sign up for Beehiiv, I do have an affiliate link in the description that helps me out. Now, the first and probably my favorite way to make money through Beehiiv is through their Boost program. And it's actually a really cool time right now. So they actually have 2 times earning on Boost right now. So every dollar that you make through Beehiiv Boosts, they're matching it. So you're actually able to make double the money right now. And so what this is essentially a two-sided marketplace. So you can see here in the Boost area, these are newsletters that are paying to grow their list with verified emails. And you can see what it's about as well. So this is a news, history, politics-oriented podcast. This is a startups, lifestyle, technology-oriented podcast. And they're paying $2 per subscriber, which means everybody that you get to sign up for their list, and I'm going to show you how to do that, you get paid $2. And so what you can actually do is create a newsletter or port your newsletter over and whatever it's about. So if I type in, I have artificial intelligence oriented newsletter, I can search for that and I can find all of the AI oriented newsletters that are paying per subscriber. And I can just apply like this and say, hey, I also have a newsletter. You know, you customize it a little bit. And it's literally that much. And it goes into a review process off the market, apparently. But that's how you would apply for one. And now how you can track these boosts in here too, is you can see all of the boosts that you have on here and which ones are paused. So I have 6 active boosts that are turned on right now. I can sort it. So I have 6 active boosts. And you can see, so it is based on verification as well. So I've driven a total of about 7,000 emails to these lists. 1,300 people have verified, which is about a 19% verification rate. So basically, the more emails that you get to sign up and verify for these other emails, the more that you get paid. Now, here's how it works. And it's entirely free for new users to do this, which is what I love about this platform. So all I need to do is drive people to sign up to my list. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share a really cool strategy to help you grow your list even faster so you can use this strategy to make more money. So all I need to do is send people to this list. And when someone types in their email and they join my list, this pop-up also comes up here. And these sponsored lists are the boosts that I have active. And so it gives the person the opportunity to subscribe to one, maybe this one and this one. I can click all and subscribe to all of these, or I can just click maybe later and I don't subscribe to any of them. Again, for me, it's about 19% verification and conversion rate. And so if I just do this one and this person subscribes, just free to the person to subscribe again, and they verify, I get paid approximately $2. If someone select all and they subscribe to all and they verify to all, because I have 6 boosts active, I get $12. So I'm essentially getting paid to grow my email list for free from Beehiiv. That's why this is the easiest way to make money online right now. Now, Beehiiv has other ways that you can monetize as well. They have this ad network on here. And so as you're growing your email list here, you'll see that these are other available opportunities for advertisements within your email list. And we can see, this one is $1.60 click. Some of these are per click or per open, which is great. So if you get a lot of opens on your email, but maybe they don't necessarily click through, you still get paid. So this one is paying $2.50 for every 1,000 opens on your email list. And so you can just apply for any of these. You can choose a few details. You can control the date that publishes on. You can choose the ad creative in here, like so. So this is what will actually display. And then how this works is when you're actually creating your newsletter, this is their blank template newsletter, but all you need to do is click /, which is going to open up this little panel here. And you can just start typing in advertisement. And when you click on advertisement, it's going to show you the ads that you've already accepted. And all you need to do is click on that, and it will load that. I don't have any ad currently active, but it will display there. And all you need to do is click that, and it will insert the ad into your email. And that's all you need to do. In fact, let me show you what one looks like. So Beehiiv keeps an active library of all of your newsletters that you put out there. And so this is what it'll be like. So the last ad that I did was for Pod Pitch. So it inserts this ad automatically based on their ad campaign. And so I get paid for that, which is great. I already have my newsletter running. Why not maximize in the best way? And so we can see here, these are just the advertisements. So every email that goes out, I get paid because I insert that ad. So this one earned $30, this one earned $16, this one earned $14, $10, this one earned $70, $36, $62, $28, $11. So at 43. So every time that I insert an ad into my existing newsletter, I also get paid because of this marketplace that they've created. Now, the third and last way that you can earn money through Beehiiv is actually their affiliate program. Now, as you can see, full transparency, I have not earned any money from this affiliate program yet. I have driven 2,500 people to my affiliate link. It's generated 134 signups, but nobody's actually turned into a paid subscriber of Beehiiv yet. And so just like any other affiliate program, you get your partner link here and you can drive people over to that. And anybody that clicks it, signs up and converts, you get paid once again. Now, I wanted to show you two different ways that I am actually using social media to drive email signups and how I'm using social media to monetize on Beehiiv as well. You can copy these strategies. So the first way is directly on Facebook. Facebook is my #1 platform right now. And so every time that I post a Facebook reel, I will leave a comment on that reel like this. P.S. If you love posts like this, you'll love my AI newsletter. You can subscribe right here, which takes them over to that page that I showed you earlier. And it's that same exact flow where they sign up for my newsletter. It pops up here. If they subscribe to one of these, I get paid through boosts. I also do this on text threads like this, where it's sort of a almost clickbaity value prop here with educational text threads in the comments. And then just like you saw in the reel, I post that same thing here. P.S. If you like posts like this, subscribe to my newsletter. Every single day, this generates me anywhere from about 50 to 200 different emails, depending on popularity of that post. Now, the second way that I do this is through ManyChat automations on Instagram. If you've ever seen somebody say like, leave a comment with the word boom and I'll DM you the link or something along the lines of that, that is done through a software program called ManyChat. And you'll see here, I have this automation in place where anytime that someone leaves a comment with the word list on any one of my videos, it automatically sends them this link. You can see it's sent 25,000 times. I've gotten a lot of people to comment the word list. And it's a private message that says, hi friend, here's a link to the list of useful websites. Click here, right? This click here is, again, my Beehiiv newsletter. So of the 25,000 that were sent, ultimately it got to 2,500 clicks. And now not everybody is subscribing, of course, and even 19% of people are actually verifying, but you can sort of see that funnel. And all I need to do is say in my videos on Instagram, leave a comment with the word XYZ or whatever, and I will DM you a link to sign up for my newsletter or sign up for my offer, and a percentage of people will. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in how you can make money online. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe, and I've got another great tip of how you can start earning right here. I'll see you in that video, my friend.